This segment is sponsored by Seay Felton Trial Lawyers.
We take our time with our clients. We try to explain to them the law as much as we know. We try to have our clients educated as if they were us, as they were involved in the case. We want them involved. We care. We try to take our clients and treat them as if they were our family members and show them concern and compassion. So that's one of the ways when you're not just a client number for us. Our clients' cases matter.
Quentin Seay and Eugene Felton have been practicing law for more than 20 years and say they've won hundreds of millions of dollars in compensation for their clients.
And we've done a range of cases where people have been injured due to no fault of their own. We represented victims of crimes in apartment complex. We represented nursing home residents who have been abused and neglected. We've actually done civil rights cases throughout the state and the Southeast where people's rights have been abridged by people who were malicious and reckless. So we've done a whole host of cases on the plaintiff side representing everyday, normal Georgians and people throughout the state of the Southeast.
And one of their biggest cases, they say, was right here in Savannah, involving a rideshare company where a young man was injured.
That type of litigation is fairly new and involves some novel defenses that really have not been confronted by the plaintiff's bar until recently. So in order to get our client a great result, we did have to think out of the box. And we had to come up with some theories of recovery that were somewhat novel to counter their theories of defense. We were able to obtain an incredible settlement for him right before we filed the lawsuit. And we attribute that to our excellent reputation in the legal community as very experienced, highly motivated, very aggressive trial lawyers.
One of the things that's very important is that we have experience. Combined, we have over 50 years of experience in doing this. And so when we look at a case, we always tell our clients there are really no new cases because we've sort of seen different variations or iterations of different cases. So those are some of the things that we have done. We have seen cases where people have been injured, where they've been dropped or fallen. And we can kind of tell you, based on our history of looking at neglect, of what happened, what to look out for, what records to get, and things of that sort. So not being specific, but one of the things that differentiate us is the experience, that we've been here for over 50 years combined and doing this type of work. We don't do criminal defense, we don't do wheels, we do cases where people have been injured. Give us an opportunity because we have the skill, the resources, and most important, the heart to represent your interests, to put you first.
This segment is sponsored by Seay Felton Trial Lawyers.